Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Chanel flat bag from faithkeybiz.ru. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps. I've worked with them before and the quality of their bags are really good. So if you like the designer bags but you don't like the designer price, then I highly recommend this website. They have all kinds of different brands such as Chanel, Gucci, Louis, you name it. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this one, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Okay, so it does come in the box, and it does include a dust bag. I believe this is the medium size Chanel bag. I usually get the smaller flat bags, but this is like a medium. I will have, of course, all the dimensions and stuff for you guys. It does include a shopping bag if you guys want to display it in your closet. It does have like the wrapping, the little flower, the Chanel bow, and has this. And then, okay, so let's get to the bag. Okay, so this bag is light pink with gold hardware, so cute. This is gonna be perfect for like the springtime, and this is in the Caviar leather. Let this focus in real quick. There you guys go. So it's a really pretty light pink. And then, of course, you just undo. So it has that top zipper. I usually take this off. It's just an extra leather piece. So it has that zipper. Also says Chanel there. Flap. You see the CC. Here is a pocket to put stuff. And the inside also has the double pocket, the lipstick holder, tons of space. I feel like this size bag has really good space. And then also it had these little cards in there. I'll show you guys from this standpoint. You just peel this little blue protective sticker off, and it does have the CC on here as well. Okay, I peeled it off, so there it is. So really cute, guys. It has really good space on the inside. Love that you can put something here as well in this pocket. So cute. Go ahead and close it. The side of the bag. The back has the back pocket as well. Top, other side. The construction of the bag is really good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Bottom, and like I said, this has the gold hardware, and so you could wear this crossbody or you could wear it on your shoulders, so it's longer, or you can wear it shorter, double strap. And this, of course, you just cut off. This comes on the bag, the description of which bag it is. And yeah, guys, so this is a really cute bag for the spring/summer, you know, when you want to pop out with some color. Really cute and girly. So of course I will have all the information for them linked in the description box, plus a discount code so you guys can save some money off of your purchase. But such a cute and girly bag. Yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.